Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Cread. Today I'm going to show you how to solve and make the ZANTHAM LEGO puzzle box. The aim of this puzzle box is to slide out two golden tiles. So let's start solving. The first step is as you can see, there is a golden tile in there. So for taking it out, what I'll do is tilt the puzzle to the right like this, and the golden tile shifted in there. Then I'll tilt the puzzle backwards. The golden tile went there, and now I can see it from here, right there. It's in there. Then I'll tilt the puzzle box towards me. The golden tile has reached here. Then towards the left, there's the golden tile, and towards me again. Give it a tap, and out comes the golden tile. And we've got the first golden tile. For taking out the second one, I'll use this tile and push this white tile right here, the white piece, this one, and as I do that, this piece will pop out from the other side. So I'm pushing the white tile and this piece comes out. Now what I'll do is push the green tile right here. So as I push it, it goes in that much. Then I'll keep the golden tile aside and push this tile back, push this piece back. But before that, I'll insert the golden tile here again and just push it a little bit to align the green tile, and then push this back. Then take out the golden tile. That's back. And for taking out the treasure or the golden tile, the second one, I'll just again tilt the puzzle box. Make sure that the green piece in there is to the left. As I give it a tap, this piece comes out and the puzzle is solved. So let's start with the tutorial. So first we'll make the base. I have 3 2x6 plates. Join them together and place 3 2x4 plates over them, across them as shown, like this. Then take 2 1x6 plates, place them on the edges, and now we have a pretty sturdy base. So now I'll take a 1x4 brick and place it there, a 2x3 brick, a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate will go there, another 1x1 tile, another one, a 1x1 plate, another 1x1 tile, a 1x4 tile, a 1x1 brick, a 1x4 brick, a 1x6 brick, and a 1x4 brick on the edge. We'll finish off this layer. And I'll take another 1x1 brick, which will go in there, like this. Now we'll make the prize of the puzzle. So I'll take a 1x3 brick, 1x3 plate, and place a 1x1 tile over it. A 2x1 golden tile goes there, and the treasure piece is ready. And I'll just keep it there, loose for now. Then I'll take a 2x1 transparent brick, another one. A transparent one is important because these can slide like this, and the sliding motion is important for making a puzzle. Now take a 2x2 plate, another 2x2 plate, a 1x3 plate, a 1x1 plate, a 2x1 tile, a 1x4 plate which has only 2 studs on the corners like this one, a 1x4 plate with 4 studs, a 2x3 plate and a 2x1 plate goes there. Now I'll take a 2x1 plate with round corners, and these round corners are important. A 1x1 plate goes on the corner, another one and another 1x1 plate, and these all plates are colored because now we're making the color rim. So 1x1 tile, a 2x1 plate, a 1x3 plate, a 2x1 plate, a 2x4 plate, a 1x3 plate, another 2x1 plate, another one in green color will go on that stud, and then this 1x1 tile goes there, and this 2x1 tile will go there, and this tile can even be without the money print on it. And the color rim is ready. Now I'll take a 1x6 tile and a 2x1 plate. It can even be a 2x1 plate with 2 studs. I have a jumper plate here, so I'll just place it underneath the 1x6 tile and place this 1x6 tile on this 2x1 plate like this. Then I'll take a 2x6 plate, 2 1x6 plates will go there, and then 3 2x1 plates come here like this, and this 2x1 plate can even be without this hook on one side. So if you have a normal 2x1 plate, that also works well. Now I'll take a 1x4 tile which will go here, a 2x1 tile, a 2x2 tile and another 2x2 tile will go there. Now I'll take a 2x2 brick, a 1x3 brick, a 2x1 transparent brick, a 2x1 normal brick, a 1x3 brick, a 1x6 brick goes on the edge, and another 2x1 transparent brick, this one will go there. Just like this. Then I'll take a 2x1 golden tile and just place it there. It's loose as that's the treasure. A 2x4 tile, another 2x4 tile, another one, a 2x2 tile, 2 1x1, 2 1x4 tiles go there, and the puzzle is ready. If you liked this video and found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Priyad. Thank you for watching.